Becca, Aftermath. There he goes, coding that sass on the screen, trying and using prop means. Comments are coded in green. I think I'm going to scream. Got errors, not fair, who cares, man, I'm stuck. Hit the stat lab, don't forget what input does know what. This sucks, oh god, now clear log. No fun, rerun, log fills up, get a new one, cause you know that the last code, blah! With output clean, need a routine, knowing still got a few ideas from the last thing. The loops are due, but the rest was new. Tried to think it through, but I knew I was screwed, and I had no clue, and man, it showed. I had to get the TA here to do some code. S to the A to the A to the S. I like good graphics, so I like ODS. Do so much code you wouldn't believe, and I'm not talking girls when I say I got proc freaks. 3 to the 3 from the 3 to the O. I meant a bad problem, so I wrote a macro. Let me tell you how I always seem to know. SAS documentation is where I go. I've been through the class in the studio. That class is insane, yeah dude, we know. If I ain't got the sasser, it's where I'll go. I'll get a good job and then I'll get more dough. The best SAS coder, you will emerge. It's real easy, you can do proc merge. I've been through 330 and I went through 440. I hate long code, so I holler at a shorty about to get some coding. Turn the computers on, let's get started. Feel a stack that takes this long. Been through the code that will run however I want. Wanna get it poppin', so let's get it on. Some codes act retarded, some codes about it. I'm looking for the code that will do whatever it does. I got the right code, and that's because I'm like, do that sass for me. Do that sass for me. Come on, girl, do that sass for me. Do that sass for me. Oh, girl, do that sass for me. Do that sass for me. Come on, girl, do that sass for me. Do that sass for me.